The apocalypse is here, and you don't want to be spending it downstairs in the basement with the rest of your apartment dwellers. No, you decided the bathroom is the place to be. For whatever reason, you've locked yourself in here. I don't know why you're here, and I don't really care. The question is, how are we going to feed ourselves? We didn't think about this beforehand, and now we're hungry. Luckily enough, the humidity behind the washing machine has allowed fruits and vegetables to grow, which leaves me with lots of vegetables. Unfortunately, the problem is I have no way to cook it. Or do I? Fortunately enough, my washing machine and many of the washing machines you have out there have a soup mode, specifically designed to make soup. Put it on to any setting and make sure you put the temperature to 90 degrees. The point of this setting is to make soup of whatever you put in there. So if we take our time and slice some vegetables up, and we place them in the washing machine, we can start it. And slowly our washing machine will go into soup mode and cook our food. Now the advantage of cooking yourself food in the washing machine is that you can separate the soup from the solids. When the soup is about to be ready, you'll hear the washing machine go into spin mode. At this point, we have rigged up a pipe to make it easy to serve our soup straight into a bowl. Now as you notice, there are no solids in here. So you will need to wait until all the soup is out. Now you can eat it like it is, plenty of vitamins and minerals, but I like to have some pieces in there, so we'll put that in there. And just like that, you got soup in case of some crazy event. This is a fantastic idea. It doesn't even have to be some crazy event. Next time you got friends, family over, don't have enough room on the stove, washing machine. That's what it's there for. That's why they put it there. Anyway, no matter where you are, do have a good day, good night, good morning. Bye-bye.